Hey y'all, it's Candice from Brass again. I know it's been a long time since you've seen me. I know you've missed me. Today I'm gonna do a unique shot. It's called a peanut butter and jelly shot, and I'm gonna use Skrewball Whiskey. And when I don't normally drink whiskey, but when I do, it's Skrewball because it goes down smooth. All right, so to start off, I'm gonna start off with my shaker. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice, and then we're gonna go 1 ounce of the Skrewball, made by Misfits Black Sheep Whiskey. So I'm gonna go 1 ounce of Skrewball, and then I'm gonna go with 1 ounce of Chambord, which I believe is from France. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. Then I'm gonna give it a little shake to chill it a little bit. And then I'm going to strain it into this shot glass. And there you have it. Peanut butter and jelly, baby.